What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and I'm doing some 4K video at 60 frames per second, hanging out with the little doggies out here. They're chilling like villains, and I just wanted to kind of give you what's going on with this device as far as the 4K 60 video frames per second. Good shot of the tree. Jump out here for some focus on the long frame there. All right, you could do 2x zoom and up to 7x zoom. Has the 2x button here so that you can hit it, so that you can do a nice little zoom on it. Here's a little plant life. Come up, quick zoom there. Quick focus. Then if you want to come up on the a little doggy here, Gigi, and then if you want to zoom in a little more on her, you can kind of follow her around, do your thing, and then you can adjust the color here, get lighter, get brighter, whatever you want to do, saturation, that kind of thing. But let me know how the video quality and stabilization is. It has different modes here. It has standard, locked down mode, also action for your stabilization, and also cinematic. If you want to do a little cinematic mode, you can do that on the Pixel 6 Pro. But this is just regular standard stabilization, so it's pretty normal here. Checking out the dog doing her thing. What's up, girly? What you doing? Yeah, you getting in there. She trying to be a video star. But this is pretty much the quality you're gonna get on the video from the Pixel 6 Pro. But let me know how it compares to the Samsung, to the Apple, to some cameras that have pretty much great quality as far as video cameras are concerned. What's up, Maya? What you doing, girl? She's hanging out here doing a little video recording with Android Stud. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. You can't do wide angle. This is just a standard angle or standard wide lens. You can't do. I don't believe you could do wide angle on ultra wide angle on the Pixel 6 Pro, doing 4K 60 frames per second. Maybe on 4K 30. We'll test that out later on. But that's gonna do it, man. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you guys know when you're getting those videos from Android Stud here. Keep it locked right here, right, girl? So she's hanging out, trying to eat the coconut. All right, I'm gonna get out of here, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.